Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. Today I am talk about Broadcom stocks. These stocks make only 1% return today, and if you see the stocks make how much return in the last 5 days, here you can see this stocks price at the current moment $427. Here you can see how much return these stocks make in the last 1 month. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 6 months, these stocks make how much return? 24% approximately positive return, which is very good. And here you can see these stocks how much return in the last 1 year. 40% return these stocks make for investor. And the last 5 years, these stocks make approximately 800%, which means 8x return these stocks give us. And the maximum return, if you see these stocks how much, here you can see 259x return these stocks make for investors, which is very good. 25,000% return these stocks make for us. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. And so always do your own research before investing and follow for more US stocks breakdowns.